Hello everyone, and how are you doing? So if you're new or old to this channel, you know I share a lot of healthy fat burning recipes, like healthy recipes to help me maintain a healthy body size by burning fat and always staying in shape. So I get so many people ask me to share what I eat a day to maintain that healthy body size, because normally I don't just drink the teas without eating. You don't need to starve to lose weight or to burn fat, but it depends on what you actually eat. There are certain things you eat that will facilitate the fat burning process. So that is exactly what I'll be sharing with you, like what I eat a day to burn fat, burn belly fat, and maintain a healthy body without belly fat, and always staying in shape and active. Unlike before, I used to be so big. I am really work in progress, because if you watch my old videos like last year and this year, you will see a lot of difference. Like, I have really trimmed down. So as you can see, this is my belly now. No belly fat. My belly is really down. I'm just that person with big breast. And this is my belly before. This is how chunky big my belly used to be. So I'll be sharing with you now what I eat a day to burn fat and maintain a healthy body size. So this is not a regular meal plan, but a fat burning meal plan. So if you're looking to lose some calories or belly fat and maintain a healthy body size, stick around and I'll show you my menu for the day. And so with that said, moving straight into the video, the first thing I start my day with, like 9 or 8 a.m. in the morning, is my fat burning metabolism boosting tea. I start my day with something warm, not beverages or milk. I start my day with a fat burning metabolism tea. I'll share with you the recipe now. So this is the first thing I consume in the morning on an empty stomach. So it gets into my system without any food or oil obstruction and help me burn fat. So in order to come up with my fat burning metabolism boosting tea, when I talk of tea, I don't talk of beverages. I talk of fat burning teas, like to help me burn fat. And I use mostly thermic ingredients. So the first ingredient I'll be using will be ginger. So I use ginger because ginger helps to heat up your system, boost your metabolism. So whatever you eat, you easily break it down with nothing storing up, causing belly fat and weight gain. Breaks all the fats in your system, like you easily pass out everything without store up and burn the fats for you. So I'll be using lime or lemon as well. I'll be using one lemon for today. So I'll be using the zest of the lemon plus juice. So what you want to do is to get your grater and kind of get the peel, because most of the fat burning benefits to dissolve bad cholesterol and fats in your system is found in the peel. So after you grate, you will still use the juice, but you want to follow the steps. I want to heat up water, because starting your day with hot water awakens your system and helps your system to be more active. So I usually drink tea, and the tea I go for is green tea, because it is healthy and it helps to detox my system as well. You can drink your black tea, whatever, but I go for green tea because of its benefits, health benefits to the system as well. So I'll be adding just like a little teaspoon of cinnamon powder in here. It is optional if you don't have it, but this is a very good fat burning ingredient as well. You just need a tiny little, like a teaspoon or half a teaspoon of it in your tea. You don't need a lot of it, since we have other fat burning ingredients here, but I just like, this is something fast. You want to lose some calories and most especially belly fat, and you should go for this. So I just need half a teaspoon of the lemon zest, the lemon peel of the lemon I grated, half a teaspoon or a teaspoon of the ginger you grated. You just measure like one teaspoon of ginger and add in your cup, in your teacup. So I'm making it in this cup, but I'll later on turn in the other cup. I just want to use this so you can actually see, as it is really big and kind of you can really view. So you want to add in your water now. After your water boils up, you add it. It will help now to infuse those ingredients and give you your tea. So you want to kind of like pour and make sure the green tea gets infused in your water. This is a combination of thermic and fat burning ingredients to detox and awaken your system, to break down fats in your system, bad cholesterol, dissolve bad fats in your system, and give you that active system. So I'll be using half a lemon in the morning, and I can use half of it at bedtime. So you just need half a lemon in here. You just want to squeeze in half a lemon, and that is good. You don't need a lot of all these ingredients, just a little bit as I showed you the measurements is just fine. You just squeeze in your half a lemon and voila, this is it. You can add in a little bit of honey to give you energy for the day, because honey contains a lot of good energy, and this is it. Start your morning with this and trust me, it will help you break down the bad fats and cholesterol in your system, making you always have that bloated big belly. You lose a lot of calories as your system will be so active, and you will not end up gaining a lot of weight but rather losing pounds and getting in shape. So the time now is 11 a.m. After having my 9 a.m. metabolism boosting tea in the morning, I have my breakfast at 11. So I'll be sharing with you my breakfast fat burning recipe I'll be having today, which helps me break down fats, most especially belly fat, and enable me always stay in shape without that chunky big belly. So let's get into it, and I'll show you what I'll be making and having as breakfast. So what I'll be having as breakfast will be my fat burning metabolism boosting smoothie. This smoothie is very yummy and will help me burn fat. So it is like you're eating and not starving to lose weight. It will fill you up so you don't feel like starved. Besides, if you starve yourself, it slows down your metabolism. So it depends on the kinds of food you eat, and this is a fat burning breakfast I'm coming up with. So as I mentioned earlier, this is a fat burning meal plan, not just a regular. If you're looking to burn some fat, most especially belly fat, this is the kind of breakfast you want to have, like 3-day plan, and you will see your belly. I'll show you my belly. This is day 2 and you will see how my belly has gone down. So this is 1 orange, 1 lime, 1 grapefruit. These citrus fruits are very, very good at dissolving bad cholesterol, bad fats in the system, boosting your metabolism and helping you easily lose weight so fast. So I'll be using these 3 citrus fruits just to kind of make it filling kind of, plus with all the other benefits, like they help to detox you and glow your skin as well. So this is like having that beautiful skin while burning fat as well. So this is my 1 grapefruit, 1 orange, and 1 lemon. I'll be adding a tiny little bit of ginger. If you are like crushing, just a tablespoon of crushed ginger is fine. You just want to get your ginger, peel your ginger, wash thoroughly. Ginger is very good as it heats up the system. If you have turmeric, you can add a little bit of fresh turmeric, but this is optional. Or you add the turmeric powder. They are all bad fat burning. They prevent inflammation. Like they have anti-inflammatory properties, preventing that bloating. You know, that fake bloated big belly. This helps you to prevent it, for you to always have your belly not big and bloated. So this is it. You can use just ginger if you don't have turmeric, or you add a teaspoon of turmeric powder. That is fine. You just chop your ingredients and just have it in a way you can easily blend. This burns fat. This is a very yummy fat burning smoothie I'll be sharing with you now. So I'll be adding 1 banana just to make this a little bit filling. You know, this is something you want to eat from 11 a.m. till around 3 p.m. You want to add a little bit of banana to give you some energy, and banana equally helps with potassium for fat burning. So banana is very good. So I added in 1 banana to keep me so full while helping me with energy to burn the fat as well. You know, bananas contain that good sugar for energy. So this is it. You want to blend till you get that very smooth consistency. That is when you know your breakfast yummy fat burning smoothie is ready. So I have a lot of these fat burning recipes. If you don't want to go for these, check my channel and choose any of my fat burning recipes you can have as breakfast. This is just the recipe for today. You can have it at 11 a.m. in the morning after your fat burning tea, like me. You see, I'm enjoying my smoothie. This large cup keeps me so full, helps me burn fat, cleans up my skin from the inside. Like, this is so healthy. When you eat healthy, you look so fresh, nourished, without that bad fat in your system. See my belly. This is day 2 and my belly is really down. This is something you want to try. So this is 3:30 p.m. Trust me, after you have the kind of breakfast I had today at 11 a.m., it keeps you so full, fills your system with energy. You can keep on for long until 3 p.m. to have your dinner for the day. And now it's 3:30 p.m. This is when I'll be having my dinner, and I'll be sharing with you what I'll be having as dinner. So this is what I'll be having for dinner: my vegetable mixed stir fry with mushrooms. You can stir fry with chicken, you can use fish. I have other recipes with fish and chicken, but for the fry for today, the stir fry for today will be with mushrooms. This is what I'll be having for dinner, and it keeps me so full, easily breaks down without store up, and help me burn fat as well. And if later on around, let's say 6:30 or 6 p.m. in the evening, I feel like eating something, I'll just divide this cucumber in the middle, 2 halves, and I eat half of it, and that is it for the day. So you basically need to eat something like cucumbers. It fuels your system with a lot of hydration. It gives your system energy to burn and break down fats. Plus this is so alkalizing, like it supports your system to detox waste. It has a lot of benefits. So consuming a very healthy fruit like this with less calories, this is almost water based. So this is something you want to snack on in the evening. That is if you are on a fat burning like regimen. So yeah, that is it, as simple as that. Don't starve to burn fats, rather eat thermic foods that will help you burn fat. So share this video with your family and friends. I hope someone finds it helpful, and I know for sure you will find it helpful. Thank you for your time. Thank you for watching, and see you again in my next video. Bye.